Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to compare Apple's new Memoji and put it up against Samsung's AR Emoji. Memoji is Apple's new take on what Samsung introduced earlier this year with AR Emoji, which is the company's way of creating a personalized animated emoji that you can incorporate into pictures or videos and share them with your friends. Both companies, while trying to accomplish the same thing, do this in very different ways. Let's start with Samsung's AR Emoji. Creating your AR emoji is pretty simple. Open the camera app and with the front-facing camera, select the AR Emoji section. From here, you'll see the option to create my emoji. The device will scan your face and create your emoji for you, giving you a few custom options at the end like skin tone, clothing, and accessories. Once your AR emoji has been created, you can take photos, record videos, or use any of the pre-made GIFs and share them with your friends. As far as facial recognition goes and the overall custom options, compared to Memoji, AR Emoji is a little behind. I will say that with AR Emoji, the phone can probably create one of the better looking representations of what you look like, but overall, the lack of custom options and technology behind your facial feature tracking and movements is not nearly as good as Apple's. This is due to Apple's true depth camera system, and the amount of facial data that is collected during use is what makes using Animoji so realistic. So with Apple's Memoji, you create your character from the ground up inside of the Messages app with loads of options to choose from, like different head shapes, eyes, eyebrows, hair, skin tone, chins, etc. Memoji will probably not look as much like you as AR Emoji would, but the user experience overall is just far better. You can obviously take stills with your Memoji, record video clips, and even add your Memoji over real-life still photos and use it during FaceTime calls. Apple also introduced a new tongue and wink detection technology, which, you guessed it, analyzes and accurately portrays when you would wink or stick your tongue out. It's little features like these that only help enhance the authenticity of your Memoji's facial expressions. Overall, these are two features that I would hardly use on a regular basis, but if you enjoy these features a lot and are making it one of the selling points as to which phone you should buy, then the true depth camera system on the iPhone X is going to be the choice to go with. Memoji gives you the ability to do a little bit more with your character, and if that's important to you, then you're not going to be disappointed. Let us know which one you prefer, Memoji or AR Emoji, in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.